Bringing you a stronger canopy, Garden Winds introduces the second-generation RipLock Canopy with Ultra Stitch. One of your canopy's weak spots is found at the seams. Tension from being stretched on the frame, windy conditions, and harsh UV rays affect the seam's ability to keep the canopy intact. Over time, the thread starts to weaken and the canopy rips at the seams. Introducing Ultra Stitch. Double the thickness and double the strength, Ultra Stitch uses a 4-ply thread that is twice as thick as the industry standard 2-ply. Ultra Stitch reinforces all seams, eliminating a common weakness in most canopies. We use stronger materials to build stronger canopies. And RipLock Canopy 2 with Ultra Stitch delivers the industry-leading performance you have come to expect from Garden Winds.